How to turn off notifications on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are too many notifications from Reddit irritating you and you want to turn it off? Then I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. You can open up your Reddit app, then go to inbox option in the bottom right, and then you can see three dots in the top right. Tap on it and tap on edit notification settings. Now here you can see various categories. So you can go to each categories and turn off the notifications for each of them. Or if you want to completely turn off the notification, then you can come back and then head over to your phone's settings and then scroll down, go to notifications. Now you'll need to scroll down and then search for Reddit. So tap on it and you can see allow notifications. You need to tap on it to toggle it off. Now you will not receive notifications from Reddit at all. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.